In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete message on Google Chat. If you've sent a message by mistake or you just want to clean up a conversation, Google Chat gives you a quick way to remove it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click so you can delete a message easily and confidently. To begin, go to your Google Chat home dashboard. This is the main screen where you can see your conversations, spaces, and direct messages. Once you're on the home dashboard, take a moment to look over the left-hand column because that's where your chat list is displayed. Next, in the direct messages section on the left-hand side, click on the conversation where the message is located. Open the chat with the person connected to the message you want to remove. This will bring the full conversation into view so you can scroll through and find the exact message you want to delete. After you've located the message, move your cursor over it and look for the three dots next to that message. These three dots open a small menu with more actions related to that specific message. This is an important step because the delete option is hidden inside that menu rather than being visible all the time. Click on the three dots and then from the menu that appears, click delete. As soon as you do that, Google Chat will remove the message from the conversation. If you're deleting the right message, make sure you act carefully before confirming any prompts you may see, since this action is meant to remove that message from the chat. And that's all it takes. Start from your Google Chat home dashboard, open the correct direct message conversation, select the three-dot menu beside the message, and then choose delete. A useful tip is to double-check the message before removing it, especially if there are several similar messages in the same conversation. That can help prevent deleting the wrong one by accident. It also helps to hover slowly over the message area if you don't immediately see the three dots, since some message controls only appear when you move your cursor over them. Now you know how to delete a message on Google Chat quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.